In the wire and cable industry, downtime is a cost you can't afford. You need a connection as strong as the material itself, without the complex setup. Welcome to PWM. We are a British specialist serving a global industry, and for over 40 years, we have perfected the art of cold pressure welding. Our reliable technology is used daily across the world, and we proudly design, build, and test all of our machines and dies right here in the UK. Overseeing the entire production process from start to finish to guarantee the stringent quality standards your production line relies on. From ultrafine wire to heavy-duty rods, portable handhelds, versatile workbench models, specialist strip welders, and large freestanding units. No matter your scale, we have the solution. A machine's performance hinges on its dies, the heart of the welding process. We precision engineer both industry standard and custom profile dies to tight tolerances, guaranteeing a perfect permanent bond every single time. When you choose PWM, you're gaining more than a machine, you're gaining a partner. Our UK team provides the expert guidance you need, backed by a global network of agents for professional on-site support. Proven technology, British engineering. Strengthen your production line with PWM.